High blood pressure is one of the world's most prevalent health problems that almost 50% among the adult population of some countries are affected. That means you might have it without knowing, as might some of your friends, young and old. High blood pressure means that your heart has to work harder to get the red elixir of life pumping around your body. Imagine trying to suck maple syrup through a straw rather than water. Hard work, right? Your heart has to keep pumping every minute of the day, so if your blood is thicker or your vessels are thinner, then this can really take a toll in the long term. There are loads of factors that can contribute to this problem. A poor diet will quickly see your blood thicken up and blood vessels constrict. Stress, high cholesterol, bad sleep, and a lack of exercise are other factors which can also contribute to a rise in blood pressure. If any of these apply to your life, it's something you'll want to get measured. Unchecked blood pressure can also affect your kidneys, eyes, and even your brain. People who've had strokes or heart attacks are far more likely to have high blood pressure, so it's always worth using the tools available to stay healthy. High blood sugar is also worryingly common across the world and can wreak havoc on everything from your pancreas to your belly to your skin. But don't fret, we have the solution to help you get your BP back down to a safe level alongside stable blood sugar, and you won't even need to leave your kitchen. Hibiscus tea is filled with the nutrients and antioxidants that are key to getting you healthy again. You probably don't think of tasty things as helping your heart, but on this channel, we're all about healthy, natural solutions, and this cranberry tasting drink is one of the best out there. It is important to keep both your systolic and diastolic blood pressure in a healthy range, and hibiscus tea has been shown to reduce both. Hibiscus' powerful antioxidant content is thought to be the main cause of these effects. These powerful molecules help to prevent cell damage and make sure you don't get a buildup of free radicals. In the long term, this helps to prevent disease, slow down the aging process, and support you in leading a healthy life. If you drink hibiscus tea regularly, you can expect your blood vessels to dilate, your blood to flow easily, and your circulatory system to function properly. Your bad cholesterol will also drop thanks to the plant's powerful medicinal properties. Scientists are still looking into all the ways that the vibrant tea can help our bodies. We already know that the hydration that you'll get from the tea helps to reduce your blood sugar levels. But how else can it help you? You can probably notice a boost for yourself. Do you feel vibrant and clean after treating yourself to a portion? In the meantime, sip on hibiscus knowing that your heart will thank you for reducing its workload. We especially recommend drinking something first thing in the morning. It'll help you warm up and get your day started bright. Have another cup with a meal or before bed later in the day. The more the merrier. Are you looking for other simple natural solutions to help out your blood pressure and blood sugar? We know loads, a couple of which will even make your hibiscus tea even tastier. But first, drop us a like if you enjoyed the video as we dive into more tools for your health box. We mentioned earlier some of the things that can push your blood pressure up to the safe levels. Rectifying some of these problems means you can get rapid results, especially if you stick with the hibiscus too. Are you ready to start feeling better in a matter of days? Making sure you get to bed in time means you get to enjoy your warm covers, which is a good start, but it also helps your heart to live a long and happy life. Most adults need to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night. If you consistently fall short of this, then your blood pressure can creep up surprisingly fast. There's no need to feel guilty about giving yourself the extra hours you need when possible. Do you associate enjoying sleep with being lazy? You shouldn't. It's a self-care necessity equal to eating your vegetables or drinking enough water. If you're always waking up for work feeling drained, try and treat yourself to more early nights. You'll feel better throughout the day and start lowering your blood pressure. When you're tired, you're also more likely to overeat and less likely to exercise. These two factors can also have negative effects on your blood sugar and blood pressure. Getting a good 8 hours of rest should make it easier, but whatever time you went to bed, your circulatory system will thank you if you can eat cleanly and get in a couple of hours of exercise a week. Exercise puts a healthy workload on your heart. This makes it more efficient in pumping blood around your body. Simultaneously, it lowers your blood pressure and blood sugar so the heart's workload further decreases. Imagine you're gardening and you try to move a plant that's too heavy for you. You could hurt yourself, right? Now, if you could come back tomorrow as a stronger person, that'd be safer. Or if you'd swap it out for a smaller plant, then you'd have fewer problems. Both changes at once and it'll be easier than you've ever imagined. That is what exercise does for your heart. You reduce the likelihood of hurting it by making it stronger and minimizing the size of its task. Happy days, you might even enjoy gardening more. Good sleep, more exercise, and some delicious hibiscus tea all help you to reduce average stress levels. This is great news as high stress can lead to blood pressure and blood sugar problems. Try and maintain a good work and life balance and give yourself time to unwind to keep these things in check. And of course, not least of all is your diet. Overeating sugar, unnatural foods, and processed fats leads to your arteries clogging up and your blood thickening. This increases the strain on your organs throughout the day. While in moderation, the treats that we all love aren't a problem at all. The best thing is to balance the less healthy parts of the diet out with a tasty range of fruit, veg, and your new favorite healthy tea. Food is your fuel, so try and keep things mostly natural to keep your body in its best shape. If you think taking care of yourself is important, then hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on the best natural remedies as we finish off by revealing what mixes with hibiscus tea to make it even more delicious and healthy. You'll be glad to hear that our first suggestion is honey. In moderate amounts, you'll get antioxidant benefits that further support your heart and reduce blood pressure. We recommend a teaspoon at most per serving. You may be wondering how this fits in with the advice you've heard about the sugar in honey. Well, that's where our second secret ingredient comes in. Cinnamon not only spices up your hibiscus tea but also stops the honey from raising your blood sugar too much. It's one of the most powerful plants on earth when it comes to staying healthy, so give your beverage a healthy sprinkle to maximize the benefits of both your blood pressure and blood sugar. With all these tools, you'll have fantastic blood markers in no time. Hibiscus tea is an underrated solution to common problems that you might already have stocked in your cupboard. It's a cheap, natural option that is accessible to everyone. So dive straight in and move your blood pressure and blood sugar toward healthy levels today. Our extra tips of added honey and tea won't only make your brew extra tasty but also boost its effects. So glug away day after day and feel great. And remember other tips to stay in top health so you're really getting the most of the hibiscus. Combining your tasty tea with plenty of sleep, a balanced diet, and enough exercise to remain in tip-top condition. Your heart is always at work, so give it a good life with these tips to feel great every hour of the day. If you want to get these videos as soon as we publish them, hit subscribe and the bell notification to catch us again very soon.